Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. So today we are going to learn something new. Today I'll be teaching us on how to barb high fade. How to barb high fade. And you people know what I always tell you guys, that whenever you want to barb any haircut, first and foremost comb the hair very well to know how the hair grow, to know how the texture is. So look at the way I'm combing the hair. I'm combing it thoroughly to get the shape of the hair. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, because my YouTube is basically for haircut tutorial. So after I've done combing the hair, I brush down the hair to know how the hair grow properly. So the next thing you have to do, we want to make a first guideline. You close the blade. Remember what I taught you guys on the other video. So this video I'm making now is similar to the other one. So if you can watch that video very well and watch this one very well, I bet you start barbing hair. You start barbing any kind of hair. So the first guideline is going to be skin. See the way I carried my clipper up. Look at the way I'm holding my clipper. As you are texturing it, make sure you are brushing it down to take off the excess hair. So after that, you turn your clipper backward and skin it. Remember, follow it accordingly and make sure you brush down the hair. See the way I'm texturing it and following it. All this I'm detailing it in a simplest way, so that once you are done watching this video, you'll be able to cut any hairstyle, mostly this high fade. So watch very well. If you are finding it interesting, subscribe. Now we want to make the second guideline. You open the blade. Remember the control, the gear, you bring it down to open it. Look closely. You see that there is a little different now. The first layer, you see, look at the first layer. I skinned the first layer. The second one, I opened the blade to create a second guideline, so that the blending will be very accurate. So watch what I'm doing. What the way I'm carrying my clipper, the way I'm brushing the hair. Watch it very well. I'm taking it slow and steady. So after that, the next thing you have to do is to pick up your step one, insert your clipper. Now you open the blade, you close it, let it to be on skin. I told you that whenever you want to do anything skin, you join the blade together, carry the gear up, let the two blades join together. That is what I did there. Now look at the way I'm doing it. Watch the way I'm doing it. Watch the way I'm doing it. Please, if you are finding this video very interesting and you are learning something from it, please don't forget to share to others to benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment anything, so that YouTube can help us and be pushing our video. Understand? See what I'm doing? See, I've created the third guideline. The first one was skin, the second one was low cut blade, the third one was step one. And I joined the blade together. Look at the next thing you have to do. You open the blade. It's still under the what, step one. See the way I'm flicking it. See the way I'm flicking it up. See, when you are flipping this thing now, watch it. See the way my hand is going. See the way my hand is going. You see the way I'm holding it. You see the way I'm doing it. That is how you do it. Understand? So watch it closely. Sorry, I was talking to a customer. So look at the way I'm doing it. After that, you bring it down. How? Blend it down. Keep it on that low cut. Bring it down. Watch where I'm taking down. The tip where I blended, where I created the guideline, is where I'm blending down. Don't go deep, so that it will not chop, according to we in Nigeria, so that it will not chop the hair inside and create another line. See the way I'm doing it. Brush it down. That brush means blending it down. Blending it down. Understand? Blend it down. See the way I'm doing it. So guys, I know you love this channel. Please. Now, after that, you see what I did there again. You bring the blade down. You see, you blend off the excess ones. You blend it off. The way as you are doing it, make sure you are brushing it down to know if the blending is rhyming, if the blending is going well. You understand? After that again, don't be in a haste. Just blend it down again. Remember, I told you guys that barbing is all about calculation. Barbering is all about calculation. This thing that I'm doing here now, you might think that it's something simple, but it is well calculated. Now I've removed the step one and I've opened the blade again. See, I'm brushing it down. I'm bringing it down. The tip of those guidelines, what I'm doing, see, you blend it. See, look at where I'm blending. I didn't go inside. Can you see it? I didn't go inside. I'm just taking it from the tip of those guidelines that I created. You see it. After that, you carry it up again and take off those line that I show you. Because look closely, you see there is line there. You see it now. You see it now. You put it on low cut. See, you bring it down. You open it. You see how you take it off. You take it up. Take it up and brush it. As you are taking it, just be brushing it. As you are taking it, just be brushing it. Understand? As you are taking it, just be brushing it to remove that line. Remove that line. Remove very well. Take your time. Have patience. Barbing is all about patience. It's all about patience. Have patience. Understand? So as you are doing it. Now remember the first guideline that I did was skin, right? Now I want to take off the line. Use the edge of the blade. Look at where I'm doing it. The edge to clean off the line. Understand? Sometimes you will see haircuts, you'll be like, how did they do this thing? Oh, there is no line, nothing. This is the process they did. You know, they will not tell you how they started, they only show you the result. But me now, I'm doing it practically, raw. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, please. If you want us to grow, let's grow together. We learn every day. If I'm doing it right, comment. If I'm not doing it right too, you comment. Anyway, I'm not doing better because no one is an island. No one knows it all. Understand? We learn every day. So watch. I'm trimming the hair up. I want to trim the hair now. Remember, the set is still under low cut. The gear is down. So the blade is open. So see the way I'm trimming it off. I'm taking it gently. Now I want to trim it. Put it on low cut. Bring the blade down. See the way I'm trimming it. Slow, steady. Take it gently. This is the final result. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of this family. You will see, my aim is to make sure that you have a skill, you learn something. My aim is to make sure that you learn something online. You can't be just wasting your data browsing without learning something. If you watch this video very well, see, I challenge you, call any of your sibling, anybody, practicalize this hairstyle, and you come here and comment that you did it and this is what you got.